If you need any more demonstration on how this works, the PSU is on. I am testing my 5-volt side. As you can see, I am touching the wire right now. If I were to just hold it there, 5 volts, and if I were to go into each of those containers, or each of those ports that are empty, it would stay at 5 volts. And just to show you that I'm not just going into the same one, $5 volts.